Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku in the additional of 2 days. Newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, May the 16th, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle. The 3-star Sudoku, yeah, it's a 3-star Sudoku with 25 printed digits. And 3 puzzles are left. The binary puzzle, the tectonic with 4 stars, in Dutch they call it Saiva block. And this one, the 4 stars Sudoku number 6444. Yeah, 6444. Well, 444. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. Alright. We have here 3 twos, 2 threes, 2 fours, 3 fives, 2 sixes, 2 sevens, 3 eights, and 3 9. So the ones are in majority. Can I start with 1? Yes, the 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the third column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 1. Okay. 1 1 1. Alright. 1 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. The 8 in the last row. The 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. Then. Let me think. Yeah, we have a 9 in the last column. Oh, wait, we have a pair. Yeah, the 1 and the 9 in the third column, the 1 and the 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, no 1 goes there. 9, 9, okay. 1, 1. Oh, right. Well, we have a pair again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. And we have a 9 in this row, a 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 9 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and a 9. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright, 1 1. And now. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 missing numbers. Oh, wait. 7 in this column. 7 in the last column. So the column between. The only place left for the 7 should be there because those 2 boxes are reserved for the 1 and the 9. Cannot place the 7 there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1. The 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. The 5 goes there. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 4 in one of those two boxes in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Let me mark those two boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then 6, okay. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 5. We have a 5 in the third column, so no 5 in these two boxes. Here 5 in the second row. No 5 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. A shoe there. 5, 5, okay. Then, let me see, 7, yeah. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these two boxes. Here 7 in this second column, so no 7 in those two boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in the first column. 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the second row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, 7, 7. Okay. Now. 9, 9. And I need a 6 here. 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers in this column are the numbers 6 and a 9. We have a 6 and a 9 in this row, so no 6 and a 9 in this box. And we have a 6 and a 9 in the row below, so no 6 and a 9 in that box. So the 6 and a 9 in this column goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. So the other 2 missing numbers are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7 and the 8. Need to wait. 8, 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these two boxes. Here and 8 in this row, no 8 in those two boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8, 8. Alright. 8. 9, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here, 9 in the third row, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9, okay. 2 and 4, yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. Here we have a pair. 2 and the 4. 2, 4, and the 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 6 here. Need a 9 there. 3. Interesting. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. And look, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. And this box should be 7. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see a 7 in this column. Middle column, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Alright. Okay, need a 3. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column with 3 in the middle column, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So this box can be 2 and more. The 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 6, 9. 9 should be here. 6, 9, and 3 is missing. Yeah, 6, 9, and 3. Well, we have 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. And look, we have 3 and a 6 in this column. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. So 1 digit left in the second row for number 9. Yeah. Number 9. 1, 2, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Come on, I'm thinking. 7, 7, 7. Here should be the 7. 7 and 8, 7. 4, 7, and 3. Wait, the 3 cannot be here. 7. Ay. 5 should be here. I'm thinking. Come on. 2, 4, and 5. 8. I'm stuck. Need a 2, 6, and 8, and a 5. Yeah. Well, look in the first row. 4 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 2, 5, 6, 8. 2, 5, 6, 8, 2, 5, 6, 8, 2, 5, 6, 8, 2, 5, 6, 8. And look, we have a 5, the 6, and 8 in the last column. So 1 digit left should be the 2. Alright, I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. Now we have a 2 here in the first row. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Alright. Yeah. Okay. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there. You see a 2 in this row? No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. Alright. No 6 here. No 6 here. 6, 6. Five, 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. And need a 3 and 5 and 8. Here, 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 5 goes there. We have a 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So 1 box left in this first row for number 6 then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. 6 in this row, first row. 6 in the third row. So the row between Second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this second row for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Yeah, 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6. The 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 now in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 now in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, and yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Yeah. 1 box left in the middle column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright, so 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now in the third column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 and 9, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. 1 and 9, we have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars again. Yeah. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.